at our newest listing here. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, plus a den, and most importantly, this one has a next-gen suite. Hi, I'm Jim Fong, and I'm here at our newest listing here. It's in the southwest part of Las Vegas, right around Peaceway and we'll say El Capitan, right inside the 215 Beltway. This is a single-story community. There's only 24 houses in this whole community here. It was built by Taylor Morrison. It was the Rose Plan, if you want to go back to what it was called when it was a brand new house. It is 2,748 square feet. The lot size is 6,534 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, plus a den. And most importantly, this one has a next-gen suite with its own entrance. So if you're thinking about moving in your parents or moving a kid back in or something like that, it's the perfect place for you, all right? All right, first things first, you'll notice desert landscaping outside, low maintenance. The driveway is a paver driveway, so nice upgrades there. Come on, let's take a look at inside the house here. You know me, you know I love courtyards, and this one has one. It's gated and it has no soliciting sign. That's included, all right? I love that stuff. But here's the entrance. You'll see this is the entrance to the next gen suite. I'll show you that later in the video, so keep watching, all right? But come on in this way. This is the main entrance here. And so it's got a little entryway, covered porch. I really like that. So come on, let's take a look. But just want to show you this door. It's an 8-foot door. It's got a frosted glass window in it. I think it's a nice upgrade here. Coming on in though, we have these very large tile floors, little entryway. To the right, that's the garage we'll look at later. Come over here, but this is a really nice open floor plan here. So we have a big, large living room. This does have 9-foot ceilings here, which gives it a nice feeling of being spacious. And here's a really large quartz countertop here. Quartz countertops throughout the whole kitchen. We have a stainless steel fridge, cooktop, got the microwave and oven combo here. Under-mounted sink. You'll see the 3 pendant lights here are nice as well. And you know me, I love backsplashes, and I love picket tiles actually too. I love this kind of backsplash. They're very spacious right here. I'll just go around the house here. I mean, you can see there's these shutters throughout the house. Very nice upgrade as well. You'll see here on this wall, we have, flat screen thing where you mount the TV, power up here, you fish all the wires to the bottom. That's all done for you. So that looks nice, clean. Back to this main space. There is a pantry right here as well. Good size. Call it a walk-in pantry, all right? All right, let's go take a look at the master now. So they did do a vinyl wood flooring starting in all the rooms here. Let's take a look. I like this master because it is separate from all the other bedrooms in here. Again, there's 9-foot ceilings in here. The master actually has its own thermostat, which is nice. Ceiling fan, of course. And you have the shutters with a view to the backyard from here. Nice feature here. Coming into the master bathroom here, you can see that it has a dual vanity here. It's got a large party shower, which I always like. A couple things for to hang some towels and things here. The rainfall shower head. And here's a feature that I really like about this house. If you come this way, you'll see that this is the master walk-in closet, which is quite spacious already too. So a lot of storage in here too. But what I really like about this, it's actually connected to the laundry room. There's another entrance for everybody else, but if you're the owner and that's your primary bedroom suite, you get to come right into the laundry room, which is nice. And it has a utility sink, which I love for laundry rooms, of course. Washer and dryer are included as well too. But let's back it out and we'll come to it from the other side as everybody else would. So back in the entrance hallway here, just on the side here is a very spacious den, actually. I mean, it's about an 11 by 13 room here, depending on where you block it off. it could be a bedroom very easily. It's got a window, it's got the shutters, there's a pre-wire for a ceiling fan. If you just put a closet in here somewhere or close this up and made a door, it'd be a very nice room or den. So nice flexible use space right there on this side of the house. So from the entry, these bedrooms are separate from the master bedroom, which is nice. Got a second thermostat, of course. Here's the guest bathroom here, the typical bathroom. Here's bedroom number 2, we'll say. It's got the wood flooring, pre-wire for ceiling fans and window shutters. Bedroom. Shutters, pre-wire, and an interesting outlet up here. I think this home was like a spec home / model home. They built this neighborhood and they used this a lot to show different options you can have for the property. And I think one of the options was having extra electrical outlets, which is, it's interesting, you know, maybe you put your router or something high up there. This is the laundry room again from this angle. So people from these bedrooms can access this too. Master closet can come this way too. Bedroom number 4. All right, so this is an ensuite bedroom. So it has its own full bathroom in here. And also this bedroom as well, pre-wired for ceiling fans. Got the extra outlets too. We don't know what that's for, but it's nice to have. Let's go out and I'll show you the next gen suite as well. Go back out to our main entrance right here. So right when you get into the courtyard here, instead of going into the main house, we'll go right into our next gen suite. So, you know, if you have someone using this, a little more privacy, you'll have to go through the main house. So it's nice. It's got a little ceiling fan. Nice view from this front window. We have a kind of sink. There's like a little mini fridge down here as well too. So, I mean, if someone really wanted to live here, you probably need like a microwave or a little electrical stove or hot plate or something, or whatever you do, air fryer or whatever, right? I would consider this maybe almost like a living space. And what is nice about this is connected to bedroom number 4. All right. So if you wanted to have someone stay with you and, you know, just feel real comfortable, they have their own kind of like living room space, bedroom space, and then a full bathroom from this bedroom number 4. And that's, you know, that's the nice thing about the next gen suite. Let's go check out the backyard now. All right. So what's really nice here, we have this 14-foot sliding glass door to go to the backyard here. So, I mean, I think it would be nice to leave this open even. It's just a very nice open space right here. But we'll check out the backyard now. The whole thing open. It's nice wide space here. Nice covered patio. We have the paver patio again. There are pre-wires for additional ceiling fans you can put out here as well. Again, electrical outlets up high. And I know the outside ones are for like Christmas lights or, you know, things like that, maybe speakers you might use. But this side, there's just access to the side house. And then walking back this way, you'll see it's all desert landscape. This is turf. So nice low maintenance here for you. Got a couple little bushes here, desert scape. And here you got a nice little patch of turf here too as well. This is the window to the master over here, just if you're curious. But yeah, nice desert landscape, backyard, low maintenance. And you'll see it's got 2 AC units here on the side of the house. So we're in the garage, last part of the house here. Right away, you can see the walls are actually textured and painted. The garage door itself is an insulated door, so kind of keeps it less hot or cold depending on time of year. Your irrigation system's right here. It's a rain bird. You'll see that we have a tankless water heater in this one. There's a tankless water heater here. It is plumbed for a water softener in case you choose to add one. And then, of course, there's a side utility door too from the garage to the side of the house as well. say 9-foot ceilings in here. You can do overhead storage or something like that if you'd like to do on that. Okay, so final thoughts on this new listing of ours. I mean, here are the highlights. It's a single-story community. It's a single-story property. It has a next-gen suite, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths in the Southwest, right inside the 215 loop at Tropicana even. So location's convenient. It's a 1-story. You have a next-gen suite. House is low maintenance. It's already upgraded. You have the shutters. You have all the electrical options. Call or text the number on the screen. Let's schedule a showing for you. And if you're looking to buy or sell in Las Vegas, feel free to reach out to me as well too. I'd love to help you with that. And just, if you're just curious, what would my house go for right now? I can help you with that as well. And if you're thinking about buying and you're early on in the process and you just need to know where to start, would love to help you with that too. All right. So thanks for watching and checking out our new listing. Thank you.